Hey there, hi, welcome back. I'm very excited for today's painting. It will be a fresh spring painting, but I will start off with brown shades and later I will go in with these colors, so it will be a fresh painting. Or well, that's what I have in mind. A new palette, let's get started. So yeah, I do want to use the scraper again today. And I've been loving those circular designs. I don't know if today's painting will lend itself for that, but the composition will come intuitively, I guess. Quite a big painting. And if you want to know, and I tell this every time in my videos, but still I get the same questions over and over again daily. If you want to know what tools and supplies I use for my paintings, go check out the description for my art supply list. The scrapers are also mentioned because not only do I get what brushes, what acrylics, but now what scraper are you using? It's a silicone wedge. Alright, nice and wet, nice and damp. So this is a pale umber by Winsor & Newton. Let's drop some. And some titanium white because this is too dark for my liking. I just like to mix right away on the canvas. Well, that might be too dark even. Let's add some more white. This is now a beige color with a slight pink hue to it. And this base will dry a little bit darker, so now when I scrape you will see the white underneath. It won't be really visible at first, but I promise you it will shine later. I think this is great for the scraping. It does give me a little bit of an outline. So like promised, I will first go in with some brown. This is a light umber. Beautiful. There's like this warm shade to it. Just bringing in a little bit of contrast. Really think this color is beautiful. I hope you really do see the lines of the scraping because it's gorgeous. You know what? I feel like this is enough with this color so far. I also have a alizarin crimson hue. I think that could be a very beautiful color here. So let's see. I love this design. Alright, mixed more with the background. I like this color a lot better. It's just a bit too harsh up there, but when I start using the other colors, I can fix that. Yeah, this is such a gorgeous design. So far, I don't know, but let's drop some yellow and some white, because you know this part I'm just not really liking, so drop my brush in the yellow. Alright, we don't really see the yellow, do we? Just a little bit there. Let's just pour the yellow right out of the bottle. Alright, well, there we definitely have some yellow now. It's looking cool. I'm really trying to be mindful where I do my brush strokes. Normally I go a lot faster and more intuitive, but today I'm really loving what I created here, that I'm a bit nervous about it. It's not a good thing. Alright, this part is beautiful. The yellow really does match here. Some more of that. Maybe a little bit of transparent red. Just bringing in a bit more orangey. That's a good decision. Beautiful. Do you see that line? It's like this orange yellow up here. Right, like slowly bringing in some more color. You know, this painting is not even close to being finished, but I have a feeling I almost want to stop already. So I don't know if the purple is going to be a good decision, but I will add some. Oh, the paint is really drying on me here. Since we have a little bit of that purple over there, I feel like we need to bring that in somewhere else too, of course. Not too much, just a little. Maybe over here. Yeah, I think that will be cool. If you can't tell, I'm really surprised and enjoying working on this one. I'm not seeing what it would need more at the moment. Maybe I can add a little bit more of the purple later on when it's dry. Sometimes less is more, isn't it? This one lends itself for maybe some more cool lines, but what's so interesting here is that it's brown, but it's still super fresh. Such a different color palette. Also the yellow and then that purple like that really gives like an interference look even. Well, I'm gonna let it dry. I'll see you in a second. It's been over a month that I created this painting you just saw. I've been looking at it and I love it. I love it so much, but every time I kept feeling something was missing. And today I felt the courage to do something about it. I taped off these lines and I will gold leaf them. Let's go. I just hope I'm just not messing this up and this will elevate this painting. These are really thin lines and I love the gold leaf in those modern works with the shadow shapes that I create, so why not in the botanicals? Here we go. Let's take off this tape and see how this looks. I'm happy I did this. I really like it. All right, I will clean up all the gold leaf mess and show you the end result.